What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Back at it again today. The boss about to bring it to y'all with this holiday special. Hey, happy holidays. The holidays coming soon, baby. Today we're gonna be making some dressing. So y'all will see why. Now y'all see why I made that cornbread homemade from scratch. See, I got the cornbread here. I know broke it all up. You just want to break it up fine. Check out the video. I'm gonna link it up above. Hey, and then I got some toast I know made up. This gonna be, you know. Then I got a lot of veggies. I got some onions, some scallions, some orange and red peppers, and some celery. So, and I got some chicken broth because we don't want to use water. We want to have some flavor, baby. Some eggs, and I got the gizzards and livers out the turkey. I know boiled it up. So we'll go ahead and start by putting our veggies in the pan with butter, and we'll go ahead and get them sauteed. And we're just gonna go ahead and let them saute till they're nice and tender. So you just want to break up your toast. Alright, our veggies are done. We'll go ahead and go over here and put them on top of our cornbread and toast. We'll go ahead and pour them on our toast and cornbread. So now you just want to mix it in together. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my gizzards and livers. Okay, so now we're just gonna pour in some of our chicken broth. You don't want to get it too soggy, but so I poured in a whole 8-ounce can. You just gonna have to vary off how much of a big portion you're making. And that's the amount for about a whole cake pan of cornbread. Is what I have here. You want to do a taste test because you want to see how much salt you got to add. So I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add my last ingredient in because I'm pretty sure that's about it's really good with that ingredients in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the egg. You just go mix this up in there, and you know, it's just gonna really help it stick and stay together. So after you got it mixed up nice and good, you want to just go ahead and spread it all out across the pan. I switched it over to aluminum pan because I'm thinking about my cleanup reasons. You're wondering. Now we just go ahead and get it put in the oven on 350. Well, here's our final product. I know you guys been waiting on it. I can't wait to dig in and eat this with this turkey. So we just go ahead and we go show you how. I'm gonna show you how moisture it is still. It ain't no dried out. You know, it ain't no stuck box top. Not knocking sofas now. That's the old top. But look at, you can see that real meat through there, the turkey. Hey, if you want to see more holiday videos like this, hey, you guys just let me know what you want to see. Hey, and stay tuned. More videos coming at you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.